So I've got something inside this package that is going to bring my wife unimaginable pleasure. She's going to go weak at the knees. She's going to get blood rushing to places that she's never had rushed to before. Let's open it and let me show you exactly what I've got. You'll have to excuse the mess. We just had Christmas, that's why there's a Toblerone and some after eights there. Who else has them? Any other time of year? Nobody. Unless you're walking through an airport and you get a Toblerone. Right, let's open it. Obviously it's from Amazon because you get everything from Amazon, and it is this. It's a Lock Pro adapter. It is made in China, but then again, most things are nowadays. And it is for your Dyson. So it's a conversion kit for your Dyson Hoover, because as we all know, the batteries on a Dyson Hoover, especially one that you've had for numerous years like ours, I think we've had ours for coming up to 10 years now. It's a Dyson V6. As you know, the batteries don't last 2 minutes. So let me show you. There's Dyson. There it is. We've got a shark down there as well. We use that for big hoovering. This is just small hoovering that the wife does in the morning. As you can see, it's old, it's battered, it's had some real hammer over the years. I've serviced it whenever it needed servicing, filters and clean it out and whatever. First thing I'm going to do before I actually do the conversion is I'm going to go around with this Hoover. It's got a full charge on it at the minute, and we're going to see just how long it lasts. Stopwatch on your marks, get set, go. I want to break free. Ooh. I want to break free. Who doesn't love hoovering a little bit of carpet? Drop onto the wife's rug. Any more for any more. Oh, dead. She's gone. Battery's gone. Look, it's gone. It's flashing. Right, stop. So we've got 1 minute and 19 seconds. A full minute and 19 seconds out of that. Hold your horses there, Captain. So what we're going to do now, we're going to convert it. We're going to drop this on to be able to run my Makita batteries, because all my power tools that I use, they are all Makita. It is fully charged as well, boom, and it is a relatively new battery, so it should last quite a long time. But these little conversion kits that you can get for your Dysons, they do other batteries as well, not just Makita. You can get Dewalt, you can get Milwaukee, you can get Hitachi. There's loads, all. So whatever you run for your DIY tools or your work tools or whatever, you can get conversions for them. So the first thing you need to do, obviously take whatever you've got off on your end, your attachment, and we need to remove this as well. So I'm just going to do that now. As if by magic. What we've got to do now is take the battery off of the bottom. And you're probably thinking to yourself, that's going to be quite a big job, but it's not. It is totally not. Anybody can do this. All you need is a little torque screwdriver. This is a T7. If you've not got one, get one, because you're going to need one. And all you got to do, if you just look here, let me get you on. Right, in there should be one of the T7 screws, but I've messed about with this in the past and lost it. And the other one is just underneath there. So what you're going to do is drop your little screwdriver in. Take this out. So once you've removed that, you're not going to need that again, but save it anyway. The next thing to do is to remove the battery, and it is super easy and super simple. All you got to do is pull it apart. That is it. You've disconnected your battery from the vacuum itself. So now it's powerless. Right, and the good thing with this is when you're putting it back on, you do not need any tools or anything to put it back on. So that screwdriver you just bought, throw it away. You don't need it ever again. I'm only joking. You can always save it, can't you? Right, next thing to do is to slide that on. Once you've slid it on, as you can see just there is a couple of tabs on here. They open and close, or lock and unlock. What you've got to do is just slide them on. Then that locks this attachment to the vacuum itself. They aren't coming off at all, especially when you've got a great battery on like this, because this is ginormous. All you got to do now is slip your battery on. There you go, and hopefully we'll do a little Hoover prayer. Dear Hoover God, please let this work. Yeah, boy. It works. Don't get me wrong, it has added quite a lot of weight to this. But once you've took it off, it's just back to its normal weight. But there you go. It does add weight to it, but it's going to add weight. You're sticking a great big battery on it, aren't you? So we'll put this back together. Try to anyway. This Hoover is absolutely knackered. Oh, look at that. It's even got, when you push it, look, can you see that green light? To tell you that there's power to it. Next thing to do, once you've done that and put it back together, is give it a go. So let's give it a go. And I will set a timer, even though I could probably do the whole house with it. Probably on just one charge, maybe. Who knows? It might just last the same amount of time. It might just drain this battery like Billy-O. Who knows? I don't know. We're going to find out though. So let's click start on this. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my God, the power. The power. Hey, I wonder if this max button works, because when we had it before, this max button was absolutely useless. You couldn't use it. You could not use it whatsoever. So yeah. Oh, that feels even like it feels like it's sucking even more. I wonder if they've got 1 foot wide. Put a battery conversion in there. Good morning. So I'm telling you now, I'm not just pillicking you, I'm not just filling you full of crap like some of these influencers do, because I'm not really an influencer, but it does feel like it's performing better. It feels like it's sucking up better. So yeah, so far so good. Although I'm doing it with my left hand, which isn't my predominant hand, it does feel a little bit heavy. So if you've got puny little arms, oh, my arms are aching with me Hoover. I've got Hoover elbow. You might just have to take it steady and have a minute every 5 minutes to catch your breath. Okay. But anyway, let's carry on hoovering. And we're just going to have to deduct a bit of time off of that stopwatch, aren't I now? I tell you what, the wife is going to be so impressed with this. So impressed. If it impresses me, it's going to impress her. Let's see what time we're on. So we've been going more than double than what we lasted with the original battery that's had 10 years worth of use. Obviously you're going to, I know that, but we're like nearly 4 minutes in. Take a bit off for me waffling on about crap. So yeah, let's carry on. And like I just said, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to push the max button. Are you ready, Max? I'm going to push a button. Not been pushed in years. Oh, did you see all those come out then? Oh, yeah. Go on then. Go on then. Feel it, sucking. I'm struggling to push it. It's sucking like a wano. Yes, boys. We're on now. Right, we've done 5 minutes worth. Let's stop that at 5 minutes. So I've stopped my stopwatch. Just gone 5 minutes. Let's take the battery off at the bottom. Oh, look how easy that were and all. It's just like any of your power tools, just to disconnect it. It's so easy to take it off. So let's take the battery off and let's see if we've knocked any lights off, you know, like used anything. Pop it out there, right. Oh, shine a light. 1, 2, 3. So it's used a light. It's used 1 light's worth in 5 minutes. It's used 1 little noggin. I've had it on Max as well, which, let's be honest, you very rarely use that at all, do you? So I'm impressed with that. Totally impressed. I'm impressed with how easy it was to convert it as well. Absolutely super simple. All you need is a little T7 screwdriver, and that's all you need. If you've got more than one of these like me, you can send around house all day long, can't you? Get her hoovering up. So there you go. How easy and how simple was it to convert your Dyson Hoover the battery, it doesn't last 2 minutes on, to convert it and to be able to run one of your power tool batteries. It was so easy, it's so simple. Go on Amazon, check them out. There's loads to choose from. Take your pick, take your fancy, whichever floats your boat. Go out there, get it, whichever batteries you use, Makita, Milwaukee, Dewalt, whatever you've got, get one for that. And I don't think you're going to be disappointed. And how easy was it to convert? So easy, so simple. So that is it for now. I'll see you later. And when the wife gets back, she can move that bloody house up. Get working, woman. Right, I'll see you there. Ta-da, see you there. Bye-bye. Bye.